chose the animal science pre-vet major because my grandparents had sled dogs while I was growing up. Having them in and out of the clinic over the years, I kind of wished there was more I could do to help.
I chose animal science because I also love working with animals, and I will be owning and operating a boarding stable after this.
I chose to do animal science because I've always had an interest and a passion for working with animals. I originally wanted to be a veterinarian, but now I've decided that I want to work in zoos as a zookeeper with exotic species.
Well, I didn't grow up on a farm, but I decided that I wanted to do something agriculture related. And when I started my major, I decided to work with beef cattle, and I think I'm in the right place now.
I chose this school for my major because I grew up in the cities. I did not have a chance to work with these large animals that I wanted to work with in my career. So this gave me a chance to work with the cattle and the sheep and the horses that I never would have the chance before.
I chose animal science because of my background with our family business and cow-calf, and also my passion for agriculture and producing food for the world.
I chose UMC because when I toured here, it seemed like it would be a really small environment, which would be an easy transition because I went to a smaller high school.
Since I've been here, I've learned about so many different avenues you can go on with animal science.
Coming from like more of a city environment to coming here and actually getting hands-on experience with beef and sheep, like I've already had horse experience, but having the extra experience with those animals was a really good way.
Inside of the animal science, we are studying different things that we don't have in Brazil, so it's kind of exchange knowledge, and it's been really important for me.
I wanted to get away from home, and I'm very far away from home, 1,600 miles, but this is a school that has a reputation for having a small campus and a big degree. So it was a small public school, it was affordable for out-of-state students, and it had a well-known animal science program.
But the animal science degree, it allows me to go off to grad school and vet school and stuff, and I did get accepted into a vet school, so I'm very happy.
Yeah, I also value the fact that we have a lot of resources available to us with all the animals and different things that we have on campus.
Having a lot more hands-on experience, you know how to work with animals rather than what you see on TV or would think would actually happen.
Hands down, I give UMC for the hands-on experience and the low student-to-faculty number.
It's nice knowing your instructors, and the trust that you develop with them helps give you a lot more opportunities in your classes.
All the animal science faculty are really good at helping you learn and do hands-on work.
I think the best part about UMC is that we have smaller class sizes, you actually get to know your profession, and if you need personal help, you get it. You're not just a number.
I think my computer skills have gotten better at UMC. I'm not gonna lie, I didn't really use computers anywhere else until I came here.
What I value the most here at UMC is being able to get involved in some undergraduate research projects and all the great student interactions that you have, being able to build a great group of friends.
I got to go to France for our agricultural foods and processing, so that was a life-changing experience too.
Just from talking to people in the natural resource field or the animal science field, it's actually surprising how many people actually know where the University of Minnesota Crookston is or has heard of it.
I guess I've really enjoyed the challenge of learning all the science and everything.
I get the Minnesota degree, and I'm going out knowing that I know what I'm talking about.